Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Yo step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. Yo. Once again. Also. And yet. 又名 also known as for example, Li Bai, also known as Li Taibai. Li Bai, also known as Li Taibai. Li Bai 又名李太白。又名李太白。李白。又名李太白。又 again, also, and yet. 又 in cursive. Li Bai, also known as Li Taibai. Li Bai 又名李太白。Okay, please comment any sentence with the character yo. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.